Hari Om. This is an English translation of an online satsang with our Guru, Paramhans Swami Shri Nispraspandanji on the 27th of March 2025. There was a question by a disciple. Swamiji, on several occasions before, you have informed us through your discourses that dissolution of ego is the sole purpose at the core of all spiritual practices that we do. However, when a sadhak develops some abilities or qualities in himself due to the grace of the Guru and his sadhana, it oftentimes makes him feel more meritorious or superior to others. How does a sadhak overcome this obstacle in his spiritual evolution? Swamiji says that the reason one develops ego or a superiority complex on account of his spiritual practices is because such a sadhak, despite doing sadhana for decades, has continued a mind-centered living. He has continued his indulgence with the mental devices of logic, reasoning, shrewdness, and argumentation. The mind is the seat of Maya, and this makes it a very tricky place to live out of. One of the most widely employed trap by Maya is the trap of fear. Fear ensnares us into holding on to our sense of identity. It does not let us give up our thinking about I, me, and myself. Swamiji says that we disciples must understand and accept this cardinal truth that on the spiritual path there is nothing to accumulate or gather. It is a journey of letting go instead. This path that we are on is all about letting all notions of self, one's identity, and one's personality to fall off bit by bit. Instead of focusing on accumulating name, fame, achievements, accomplishments, spiritual abilities, or siddhis, a sadhak has to focus on the process of letting go. Since the mind and ego do not accept this shedding of sorts, it induces fear in a sadhak. He fears getting wiped off of all perceptions of self, all perceptions around who he is or who he has always been. Swamiji says that this is not only a passing phase in one's sadhana, but also a crucial qualifying test towards opening a gateway into further advancement by the sadhak on the spiritual journey. At this point in the discourse, Swamiji asks us emphatically, how long do you think your soul has been journeying for? Since when do you think you have been wandering? This soul has lived through eons of lifetimes, each life wasted living in fear of dissolution of self. The only reason we have taken birth in one body after the other is because all previous lifetimes have been wasted in fear of being wiped off. However, what we remain in denial of is the fact that this inevitable wiping off has happened in each lifetime at the moment of death. Swamiji says that be rest assured that just as there is no end to the love and grace of the divine, there is also no end to the wandering and distractions created by the Maya. Swamiji exhorts us to make a decision in this moment itself, a decision to get wiped off one last time, willfully and consciously. We can choose to end the cyclical journey of unlimited lifetimes that lie ahead of us. And in the end, Swamiji concludes the session by giving us a simple technique to dissolve all superiority complexes we may develop from time to time. It is a simple yet powerful 3-step process. Step 1. Identify the quality or ability in you which gives you a sense of superiority over others around you. It may be anything: your financial status, intellect, an attribute about your personality like your communication skills, any talent you have, or any spiritual ability or siddhi you have developed. Step 2. Identify the people around you whom you think are inferior to you on account of lacking that particular quality or accomplishment, ability, or talent that you have. Step 3. Bow down to these people every day with humility and respect. Give them your most honest and humble regards whenever you meet them or engage with them. Swamiji says this simple 3-step process, when done with honesty and a sense of surrender to one's Guru, will lead to dissolution of ego for the sadhak. It will earn him the blessings and grace from his Guru and propel him further ahead on his spiritual journey. Hari Om. We invite you to deepen your spiritual exploration with our newly launched ebook, Dive into the Unknown. This book offers invaluable insights by Swamiji that will guide you on your path of self-discovery and inner transformation. This book is available on all Amazon platforms across the globe. You can find the link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to explore more of these teachings in Hindi or Finnish, be sure to check out our other YouTube channels. Links to those channels are in the description below. Whether in English, Hindi or Finnish, the wisdom remains the same, timeless, universal and deeply enriching. Thank you for watching and do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hari Om.